Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to install and use the 2048 Chrome extension directly from your Chrome browser. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now go to search bar and search for 2048. Here you will see there are too much extensions. Just simply click on 2048 extension. Here you will see 2000 ratings and 4 lakh users. Then click on add to Chrome, then add extension. After installation, click the extension icon in the top right corner and mark it as pin. Now start playing. Just simply click on the extension. Here you will see a option will come. You can use your keyboard to play like this. Try planning your moves ahead instead of moving randomly. Keep your highest numbered tile in one corner and build around it. This strategy can help you achieve higher scores and reach large numbers, like you will see. That's it. Now you know how to use the 2048 Chrome extension and enjoy the classic puzzle game right inside your browser. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.